Hey Beacons, RJ Horner here, Beacon of Life and Leadership, coming with another post. Today is day 2 of 365. As committed to creating a post every day for a year for 365 days. Now, the intention was I was going to start January 1st and end up December 31st. But things didn't work out that way. I skipped a post. I missed a post. In fact, you see, I'm actually looking pretty tired today, but I wanted to make sure I committed to today's post. But the other day I missed a post. I made sure to put out a post yesterday. I want to still keep coming to you day in and day out and delivering value and delivering a message. And look, life happens, right? That's a post I did the other day was life happens. But it happens to all of us. We all go through things, and I'm having to deal with things personally in my family that that need to be resolved, that need to be dealt with. And so I've just spent the last hour or so in conversation with family members to try and deal with those situations. Because here's the thing: when we put these things off, when we deny that they're happening, and I've been through this many times in my life. They all say we're destined to repeat something until we learn the lesson. And this is what it boils down to. If we try to avoid things, if we put them off, we're going to get worse and worse. We're going to struggle more and more. So, what are you going to do about it, right? It's all in um, when we are faced with these situations, when we are faced with these struggles. You can complain about it. You can get angry and frustrated and pissed off about it. But is that going to help you in any way? Is that going to do anything to resolve the situation? If anything, it'll just make it worse. It'll make your mental health worse because it's dealing with your stress, which is going to affect your overall physical health. Okay? So listen, try not to put it off. I'm a person who like to deal with problems when they arise. And look, I may not like the situation I'm going through. I may not even want to accept it on occasions. But I know that this is what I'm experiencing right now. I know that this is what I'm going through. I must pay attention to it and I must find a resolution to it. So by taking action on this type of thing, working or not even taking action yet. Look, the very first thing is admitting that this is the circumstances you're going through, right? Accept that this is the current circumstance. And then once you know that you're in this circumstance, you start looking at it from a different mindset of, okay, I'm not angry or I'm angry about it. But if I try to find solutions, that anger goes away, the frustration goes away. Look at the resolution and how you might solve this problem. You'll start being creative. You'll start thinking in a different mindset. And write down as you have ideas, write them down so that you can brainstorm with yourself, right? Figure out how to make things better. If you ignore them, they're only going to get worse. If you consider them and consider the possibilities, consider the options to get past it, get through it, um, move closer to the overall state of well-being that you want. And I say well-being because it's not just mental health, it's not just physical health, it's not just financial health. It's when you get into that position that these things are taken care of, you start to get into that comfortable life, or at least an enjoyable life, right? Because we're never going to get comfortable. There's always going to be things come up. We're always going to experience some sort of struggle in our life, most times in our life. But when we're in a position where these things aren't affecting our day to day, they aren't building up and creating more pressure and more situations, um, we can get into a place where when these things do come up and we look at it from a place of, okay, here's the problem I have. What can I do about it? So, what are you going to do about it, right? What will you do? Will you get angry, pissed off, and frustrated? Or will you now immediately take the tactic that, okay, this is what I'm experiencing. This is the actions that are happening to me. What can I do to resolve it? What action steps can I take? Where do I start looking? These things will help step a little closer to finding a resolution. And like I said, if you write them down, you're now brainstorming with yourself. And if you come up with 5, 10 solutions, you'll find the one or maybe two that are going to be acceptable. And know that these one or two, if you take actions on them, will help you put you in a better position, at least from a mental frame of mind. In other words, it takes the pressure off your mind because your mind now knows that you're taking actions towards fixing the problem or circumstance that you're experiencing. So when you experience these things, and we all will experience things for the rest of our life, you may go through days, weeks, months where things are, working out and things are happy and things seem to be perfect. Something will come up, whether that's financially, you don't have enough money, you got this expense that comes up, where you wonder where the money's going to come from, or things just happen, somebody's crossed you, or somebody's done wrong for your family, something like that. Or you get cut off in traffic, or there's an accident right in front of you, or you get into an accident. These things can happen, right? Or you lose a job, or you lose income, or these things can happen, and it can happen to anybody at any time. So we are going to experience struggles for the rest of our life at some point. Accepting that, you can now, when it does arise, okay, this is not that upsetting because it happens to other people. What can I do to fix it? What can I do to get through this? So, taking that frame of mind when these things do arise, you now are taking a proactive mindset. You're taking a proactive step towards finding the resolution. So, when these things happen to you, what are you going to do about it? Are you going to get pissed off and angry, or are you going to find the path forward and fix the problem, right? That's really what it boils down to. So I hope this post had value for everybody today. I hope that you take away something from this message today. And I just wanted to make sure that I had that post. And it came to my mind because, again, I've just spent the last 2 hours dealing with situations, and not necessarily situation, but I've been having conversation that are more productive than ignoring the situation, right? Ignoring it until it builds pressure, until it builds anger, until it builds frustration and puts everybody in a clash, right? So, I wanted to make sure that, especially while that was top of mind today, that I delivered that value out there to people. So I hope you found value. Hope it serves you, and I can't wait to bring more content to you day after day. Um, so that's my message today. Um, I want to. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like today's message. You want to hear more. You want to know what's going on, and find topics that serve you. Hey, I'd love to hear from you about topics that you're experiencing. Maybe I can do a post on that. Maybe I can talk towards, because I've been through a lot. I've gotten into a place where I'm living a better life. Um, and then I've learned a lot of things. You'll see over my shoulder, there's a lot of books there that I've read from the masters of the game: Zig Ziglar, Wayne Dyer, Bob Proctor, and so many others. So I've learned the lessons. I've been applying them in my life. And now it's time to share those lessons and messages with you out there. So I want to continue to add value. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And then we're having yeah, so that's another thing, and I'll tell you about it tomorrow. Is that we now, based on some conversations and some masterminds or some coaching that I've had this week, some conversations that I've had this week, I have figured out how we're trying to create our membership and how that's possible. So in the coming weeks, I'm going to start talking about that because I'm excited. Things evolve, and I'm excited to present to you what we're working on as far as our membership. So, I hope you liked today's post. Hope it had value. And until next time, RJ Horner saying, keep your light shining bright.